back to my channel. Since last class we've been discussing LMIA, labor market impact assessment, how to apply. We are learning step by step. It's quite lengthy process, so I'm making multiple videos on this. If your stream is suitable for this, you can apply accordingly. Today we are going to discuss hiring in the provinces of Quebec. So which is very important. Hiring in the provinces of Quebec is employing temporary foreign workers, that is TWFs, can be an essential part of company's business strategy for necessary for a household with children, senior or person with a high medical needs who requires caregiver. Foreign workers can fill labor shortage in Canada and bring new skills and knowledge to help the country's economy grow. So we have multiple options like exemptions from labor market impact assessment process, facilitated labor market impact assessment process, and regular labor market impact assessment process. Hire top foreign talent through our global talent streams. Hire temporary foreign workers in a income caregiver and Quebec pilot program projects. So effect since 2020, the program is prioritizing the certain occupations in Quebec which are considered essential during the COVID-19 pandemic. Occupations with arctics are also exempt from the minimum requirements. So for a list of occupations specified for the other provinces and territory, please refer. I'll do this later. First, we'll understand important things that any refusal to process supersedes prioritizations. If the NOC is on the list of target occupations under the facilitated LMIA process, the facilitated process required will apply. So registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, that is 3012, specialist physicians, that is 1111, general practitioners and family physicians, that is 3112, allied primary health practitioners, that is 3124. This is all NOC code. You can search it in the job bank. I already made a job bank for you. You can refer my previous video. Pharmacists, that is 3131. Medical laboratory technologists 3211. Medical laboratory technicians and pathologists and assistants 3212. Respiratory therapist, clinical professionals and the cardiopulmonary technologist 3214. Other medical technologists and technicians except dental health, that is 3219. Licensed practical nurses 3233. Other technical occupations in therapy and assessment, nurses aided or order lines and patient service associates 34113 is the NOC code. NOC code number 3414, other assisting occupations in supporting of health services 40111, university professors and lecturers 4021, college and other vocational instructors 4031, that is secondary school teachers, elementary school and kindergarten teachers 4032, 4413, elementary and secondary school teacher assistants 6331, butchers, meat cutters and fishmongers and retail and wholesale 6731, light duty cleaners 8252, agriculture services conductors, farm supervisors and specialized livestock workers 8431, general farm workers 8432, nursery and greenhouse workers 8611, harvesting laborers 9462, industrial butchers and meat cutters, poultry preparers and related workers 9463, fish and seafood plant and workers 9613, laborers in food, beverage and associated products processing 9618, laborers in fish and seafood processing. NOC possession is exempted from the minimal requirement and requirement. Note, effective January 12, 2022 to until June 30, 2023. Employment and Social Development Canada will suspend minimal advertisement requirement for employers applying for a labor market impact assessment to hire temporary foreign workers in primary agriculture. Employers are exempted to continue efforts to recruit Canadians and permanent residents. However, employers will not be required to meet TFWP minimal advertising and requirement or submit proof with their LMIA applications. Quebec pilot projects. The governments of Canada and Quebec have reached an agreement to launch a pilot project under the temporary foreign worker programs. The agreement will introduce flexibilities for Quebec employment in the TFWP, advertising and requirement exemptions. As December 6, 2021 until December 31, 2023, the following National Occupation Classification NOCD occupations are exempted from advertising and recruitment requirements. 6611 is a cashier openings, and 6622 is a store shelf stockers and clerk and other fillers, and 6711 food counter attenders and kitchen helpers and related support occupations. 6731 light duty cleaners, and 6732 specialized cleaners, and 6733 janitors, caretakers and builders superintendents, and 8612 is a landscaping and grounds maintenance laborers. 8616 is logging and forestry laborers. 9612 laborers in metal fabrications. 9614 is laborers in wood, pulp and the pepper processing. 9614 is laborers in rubber and plastic products and manufacturing. 9617 laborers in food, beverage and associated products processing. 9618 is laborers in fish and seafood processing. COP on proposition of low wage positions as on January 10, 2022 and until December 31, 2023. Applications received for workplace in Quebec for employers in the following sectors and subsectors are subjected to 20% establishment of cap limit on the proposition of TFW in low wage positions in a specific work locations. Forestry and logging, that is 1132 to 1153. Food and beverage and tobacco products manufacturing 311 and 312. Wood product manufacturing, plastic and rubber product manufacturing, and fabricated metal and product manufacturing. Retail trade excluded food, and management of companies and enterprises, and administrative and support services and other, healthcare and accommodation and food services. So facilitated process also is available till 2023. Special instructions are all LMIA applications must submit to Service Canada and MIFI stimulatory. In Quebec, the minister request that all labor market impact assessment applications be submitted in French except for LMI applications for in home caregiver position. Employment and Social Development Canada will work with the employers to help minimizing the impact of this requirement, and required if employers have any questions related to this, they can contact the employer contact centers from Monday to Friday between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern time, and toll free number and TT wide number is given here. Outside Canada, United States, number is given here. Exemptions for labor market impact assessment process. The MIFI, the Quebec implements provisions to simplify the hiring TFWs. These provisions include employers not being required to apply for LMIA from ESDC Services Canada if they are hiring a TFW who has a valid work permit, holds a skilled workers certifications of sections in Quebec CSQ, and resides in the province of Quebec, has applied for permanent residence under the Quebec skilled work classes, and other. So that's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please watch my previous video of LMIA, then that's when you'll understand this. Do like my videos and share my videos among with your friends. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.